Let's unbox the 2024 Advent Calendar from Mini Brands. Now this is a limited edition calendar and it has 24 mystery mini brands in it. Let's see what I got. Once you take the tape off the front, it opens all the way up and it will sit out on a table if you want it to. This is how that would look. And then the doors are not in order, which I prefer in Advent calendars. It makes it just a little bit more effort in the morning to find the door. Here is number one. I'd say the doors are not easy to open. I actually ripped it in the process, so they're a little harder to open. Now I could be wrong, but this looks to me like Dora the Explorer. Very cute. Let's see what else I got. Now on day 2, I got this little guy right here, and it says it's a part of the Wishes Come True purse set. It's a mini bunch o' balloons. Number 4 is a Nickelodeon Rugrats character. For number 5, I got Blaze. That's cool. On day 6, I got a mini Crayola crayon box. On day 7, I got a Fingerlings. It looks like I could actually hook this one onto a straw. Really cute. Day 8 is a mini light up microphone. Day 9 is a mini box of slime. For my day 10, I got a bottle of potions. Day 11 is a Mini Brands ball. On day 12, I got another Fingerlings. It looks like a unicorn. I honestly don't know the Teeny Genies brand, but I got this Teeny Genies box. A mini Pets Alive. On day 15, I got another one of the Rugrats. On day 16, I got Starla. On day 17, I got Dora the Explorer's backpack. On day 18, I got a SpongeBob SquarePants character. Day 19 for me is a box of Crayola markers. Day 20, I got Ikis. Day 21, I got another Mini Brands ball. On day 22, I got an untamed dinosaur. On day 23, I got a mini of washable glue. And on day 24, I got another Dora the Explorer. Lots of fun mini brands with mini packaging. My daughter is going to love these. I would say though that the box is not the easiest to open. These doors actually hurt my fingernails. I bent one of them up on one of the days, and they also just don't close as cleanly either. These ones are doing okay, but like this one, I ripped off completely on accident, and some of them I actually ripped them in the process of trying to open them. So it's a bit of a messier advent calendar, but you get some fun minis. It's really sturdy, and it's a playful way to count down to Christmas.